Hi everybody. Do you know which is the oldest city in the world? The city is not only the most ancient surviving city, but also predates the Romans, Greeks, Mesopotamians, and the Mayans. You must have guessed where it will be. Yes, India. According to archaeologists, this city could have been found before 3000 BC, and ancient Hindu texts claim that Lord Shiva by himself founded the city. It is also mentioned in the Vedas, a city of light. What's even more interesting is that when Gautam Buddha visited the city in 500 BC, he described it as an ancient city of his time. Have you guessed the name of city? Yes, it is Varanasi, or Banaras, or Kashi, the oldest surviving city in the world. A famous American traveler, Mark Twain, in his book Following the Equator, said that Banaras is older than history, older than traditions, older even than legends, and look twice as old as all of them put together. Varanasi has a long and complex history that spans thousands of years. There have been many attacks over the centuries where the city was destructed. In 11th century, Muhammad Ghazni invaded and sacked Banaras and also destroyed famous Kashi Vishwanath temple. Then in 12th century, Qutbuddin Aibak destroyed many Hindu temples in the Banaras as a part of campaign to promote Islam. Again in 17th century, Aurangzeb ordered destruction of many Hindu temples and shrines, including the Kashi Vishwanath temple. But despite of all the attacks, Varanasi still stands tall today with pride, thanks to the Gupta dynasty, who in 4th and 6th century rebuilt and restored many cities including Kashi. Raja Man Singh is said to have rebuilt many temples and buildings in the Kashi. Maratha Empire under Ahilyabai Holkar rebuilt Kashi, and the last but not the least, the people of Kashi, despite of all the challenges, have played a crucial role in rebuilding and restoration of their city over the centuries. It will not be wrong to say that the Banaras is the spiritual capital of India.